Hello my darlings and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Dana and welcome to the House of Freeman. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a GlossyBox unboxing video. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then please keep on watching. To start off with, I'm going to give you a little bit of information about the GlossyBox service. This is a monthly beauty subscription box. You get 5 products in the box and it's on a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel at any time. But if you feel like you're going to buy it for a longer period of time, they do offer 3-month, 6-month and 12-month plans, with the box being at a reduced price. The box is priced at £10 a month plus £3.25 postage, and I will put all of the relevant links in the description bar down below. So let's get on with the unboxing. I've just moved over here so that I can show you all the products on this side. As you can see, I have the box here with me. It's lovely and pink with its logo on the front. And then when we open it up carefully, we are presented with the GlossyBox book for this month, and then the products are all under this tissue paper and ribbon. We'll get into those in a minute. Firstly, let's get into this month's theme. This one is Blossom, as you can see on the front, and I'll just read you the blurb. Hey Glossies, spring is finally here and we're celebrating this season of change by breathing new life into your beauty routine. Filled with 5 awakening and nourishing products, our Blossom edit includes all the essentials you will need to bloom into a beautiful flower this April. Expect skincare that is budding with floral scents. Literally, when I open this box, that's all I can smell, and I believe that is a Rituals product because they always smell heavenly. Expect skincare that is budding with floral scents, lip care that is bursting with botanical goodness, and pastel-coloured cosmetics that perfectly complement this season's latest trends. Ellie Nash, beauty editor. That is lovely. Right, let's get into the products in the box. So if I undo the ribbon that we've got here and pull back the paper, oh my goodness, there's an Avant product in here. I think we'll save that till last because I think that's going to shock you. The first product is this Nails Ink Blossom Kisses nail polish. Here is the product. Look how pretty that shade is. I would wear that just on a normal day out. It is lovely. Welcome in the spring with this soft pink nail polish, a delicate pastel hue with cool undertones. It's the perfect on-trend hue for this new season. Better yet, its formula lasts up to 10 days. And its wide brush makes it really easy to achieve a professional looking manicure. Apply a base coat, then add 2 coats of your Blossom Kisses and finish with a top coat. This has a recommended retail price of £11 and this is the full size product. That is something I will be keeping. It looks lovely. Excellent. I'm very happy with that one. Next, we have a Sport FX lip balm. They would give you 2 different options in this box. So you could either get the coconut one or the raspberry and rhubarb flavored scented one. I got the raspberry and rhubarb, thank goodness, because I'm not a big fan of coconut scented things. The product says, these lip balms are not only bursting with shea butter, natural oils and vitamins, but are infused with SPF 15, good, to protect, hydrate and nourish your pout. Better yet, whether you receive the moisturizing coconut scent or the sumptuous raspberry and rhubarb fragrance, your balm will smell good enough to eat. Simply apply as required to achieve soft, silky lips. This has a recommended retail price of £4.99. Let's open her up and give it a little whirl. That is such odd packaging. It's like a little mushroom. Oh, how weird. Let's give it a smell, shall we? Oh, that is lovely. Yeah, I'm a big fan of that, so I will be keeping this product. Another great one in this box so far. Next, we have the Rituals Cosmetics, the Ritual of Sakura Shower Scrub. This, I think, is what is making the box smell so yummy. Let's open it. Yeah, it is. It's definitely this. Oh my goodness. Smells so, so good. It says, boasting a gorgeous cherry blossom scent, this 2-in-1 cleansing and exfoliating scrub is a treat for your body and your senses. Its luscious formula blends volcanic scrub particles with nourishing rice milk to leave skin feeling soft and supple. Once a week, massage onto damp skin using circular movements until it transforms into a soft shower cream, then wash off. This has a recommended retail price of £4.60 because this is the deluxe mini, these 70 mils, and then the full size 150 mils is recommended for £9.90. I am going to be keeping this. It smells so good. Ooh, I will be using this soon. Next, we have the Sanctuary Spa Nourishing Rose Petal Hydrogel Mask. This looks so fun. It says it's infused with delicate rose petals and skin-benefiting natural extracts. This hydrogel sheet mask provides your skin with an array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Together, they moisturize your complexion, soothe redness, and repair free radical damage. Apply it for 15 minutes, then remove. Massage any remaining serum into your skin and admire your soft, smooth, and comforted complexion. This has a recommended retail price of £7.50, and it is the full-size product. So this looks great. I cannot wait to try that out. I love a good mask, I'm not going to lie. I don't buy many myself, so when I get them in boxes, it's a welcome sight. And lastly is that product that got me aghast. It is the Avant Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant. They really like their long names. This is a full-size product, which is 50 mils, and it says this exfoliator's luscious formula and relaxing scent will smooth your skin and soothe your mind. It harnesses the many benefits of hydrating and antioxidant rich rose extract, as well as softening and smoothening vitamin B5. Together, these ingredients calm irritations, improve the appearance of wrinkles, and deeply hydrate your complexion. Gently massage the exfoliant into clean skin using circular motions, then rinse with warm water. So this is the full-size product, and it has a recommended retail price of £92. This little product here is £92. How insane is that? And this is in a £10 subscription box. It's a no-brainer. If you haven't already, do pick this up because you are getting over £100 worth of product. I'm going to tot it all up for you later, but my goodness, what a box. So like many other subscription boxes, they do give you a sneak peek for the next month. We have our sneak peek here. It says May. Get ready to embrace your wild side this May as we introduce you to an array of beauty products that make you feel fierce and free. That sounds right up my street. Your first sneak peek, a gorgeous newly launched eyeshadow palette from Steve Laurent. Oh yes, it boasts 9 stunning hues in matte and shimmery finishes that can be used to create an array of feisty eye looks. If you look at that palette there, oh, I like that and I'm excited for that. Very, very exciting. Let me just tot everything up and I'll get back to you. Okay, so after doing the maths, well, the calculator did the maths, you are getting £120 and 9 pence worth of product in this £10 box. If you add the post and packaging on, £13.25, but for all of this, I can't, look at all of that for £13.25. Just pick it up. It's really, really, really good value. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna pop it away before I get a little bit carried away. So thank you very much for joining me today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because everything that I don't think I'll use in these boxes I'm putting towards a subscriber giveaway. I will put the details in the description box down below. So that is it. Please do stay tuned for more content, because I am going to be unboxing multiple boxes throughout the coming months. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and stay tuned.